In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Gmail look like Outlook. The goal is to give Gmail a more Outlook-style layout, where you can read messages in a pane on the right side and keep your inbox list on the left. This makes it easier to scan emails and read them without constantly opening and closing messages. First, open Gmail on your computer. This works best in a desktop browser, since the reading pane options are part of the web layout. Once Gmail loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a quick settings sidebar that lets you change the most common layout options without digging through full menus. In that quick settings panel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Reading Pane. This feature is what makes Gmail feel much more like Outlook, because it lets you preview and read your email in a split view. Under Reading Pane, select the option called Right of Inbox. As soon as you choose it, your inbox view should update so the email list stays on the left, and the message content appears on the right when you click an email. After that, close the quick settings sidebar by clicking the X in the top right of that panel. Closing it helps you see the layout clearly and confirms the change has taken effect. Next, go back up to the Settings gear icon and click it again. This time, you are going to open the full settings page for more control. In the quick settings panel, click See All Settings. A full settings page will open, with tabs across the top. From the tabs, select Inbox. In the Inbox tab, locate the Inbox Type drop-down menu and set it to default. This keeps your inbox structure standard and predictable, which pairs well with the Outlook-like reading pane. Then look for the Categories options and uncheck every category except Primary. Leaving only Primary simplifies the inbox and removes extra tabs, giving you a cleaner, more traditional mailbox view similar to Outlook. Finally, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload and apply everything. You should now have a streamlined inbox and a right-side reading pane for faster email triage. And that is all there is to it.